I'll be filming this nail video using my neck tripod. It will be linked in the bio or comments.
Curve Life is the best glue for longevity. For my press-on nails, you get a tube of glue and a tube of remover for under $13. It comes with a cuticle pusher and a nail file, and I'll be using these pads with 70% alcohol. Since I've been wearing brown, I'm installing these long brown nails. I'll be prepping my nails and the press-on nails for better adhesion, so I'm making sure they fit side to side first. Simply try the nails to make sure the nail covers your nail from side to side. It should not overlay onto your skin. Now, let's prep our nails. File your nail beds and buff them. I normally use my electric drill. This helps the nails to adhere better. Now, all 10 are buffed. Remove any dust or oil from nail beds using the 70% alcohol. Next, I'm going to file the inside of the press-on to get rid of the smooth texture. I'm only adding 1 drop of glue and spread it because I want to remove them in less than 2 weeks. If you want them to hold much longer, use more glue, but not to the point that it oozes out from under the nail. Make sure you place the nail on straight and not crooked. Pay attention how I place them from the top and slowly lay it down onto the nail. I go slightly under the cuticle. This glue adheres and dries quickly. Notice that the nail fits side to side, but not on the skin. I quickly did the rest, and here's the results. Let's add cuticle oil for the finishing touch. Rub the oil into your cuticles and moisturize your hands. ON, add Curve Life glue set to cart. Thanks for watching and follow for more.